What's up guys, Eric at JPC. Today we're talking about Prochargers. What's up guys, Eric from JPC. We are riding a 2019 Mustang today. I got Dylan as my wheelman and he's going to fill you in on some of the details.
Yes, this car features a Procharger Stage 2 kit with the upgraded P1X head unit and the big red race bypass valve.
We decided to go with a tuner kit for this build instead of their complete kit. So when we did that, we decided to put ID 1050 injectors. We tuned it in-house with HP tuners.
This car actually made 661 to the back tire. I mean, that's pretty impressive just with their basic Stage 2 kit with the P1X. Still got the stock headers. It's an ultra basic build, just adding the supercharger, directly to it.
Yeah, we didn't need to kill it with a bunch of power. This is, like I said, it's pretty much just a stock driver type car. So 660 is plenty enough power to blow the stock tires off and really have a good time.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. Links to all the products we use in this video are in the description.